Today we'll be exploring some of the traditions of Lunar New Year, or Chinese New Year as it's often called in the UK. That name is misleading, as it's a festival that's celebrated in many parts of Asia, not just in China. The date of the festival changes every year, but it's always somewhere between the 21st of January and the 20th of February, and, traditionally, it lasts for 16 days. 16 days? Now that's a party! Customs change from region to region, but they all share the same theme, welcoming in the luck and prosperity of the new year. Let's take a look at a few of those traditions now. First up is cleaning and decorating the house, a tradition that symbolizes sweeping away the bad luck from the past year and making your home ready to receive good luck. Once the house is clean, it is decorated in red, as this is believed to be a lucky color. I'm ready. The next tradition is enjoying a reunion dinner with family on New Year's Eve. People who celebrate this festival believe it's really important to be together at this time of year. The reunion dinner on Lunar New Year's Eve is a time where big families with many generations sit around and enjoy food together. Yummy! Another tradition is to honor your ancestors. Showing great respect to your elders is extremely important in China, and that extends to your ancestors, family members who are long dead. Many Chinese people visit family graves and offer food to their ancestors before the reunion dinner, to show them that they're letting them eat first. Now that's hospitality! Also at New Year, people exchange red envelopes. During the 16 days of celebration, most adults carry around red envelopes filled with money. These envelopes are given to children and are supposed to keep them safe and at peace in the coming year. Other popular gifts are fruit, sweets, and tea. Another custom is to set off firecrackers and fireworks. Legend has it that every single New Year's Eve a monster would come to eat villagers and destroy their houses. The villagers discovered, however, that burning dry bamboo to make an explosive sound scared the monster away. Since then, it has become a tradition for firecrackers, wrapped in lucky red, to be set off on New Year's Eve. That way, they can ward off evil spirits. Ooh, they're really loud! Finally, people watch lion and dragon dances as part of the Lunar New Year festivities. In Chinese culture, the lion symbolizes power, wisdom, and superiority, and therefore, lion dances bring prosperity and good luck in the new year. Similarly, the dragon is a symbol of China, and they are believed to bring good luck. Dragon dances, therefore, are very popular. Because a lot of Asian people live all over the world, Lunar New Year has become very popular in many places. Will there be any Lunar New Year celebrations near you this year? What can you find out about it? Until next time, that's that.